Are you thinking of getting off the keto diet but are afraid of gaining weight or bloating? Well, you're not alone. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 ways that you can transition from the keto diet to the Mediterranean diet without bloating, cravings, or feeling fatigued. And by the way, the number 1 step is by far the most important. We will also be giving you a free 7-day meal plan to easily transition from the keto diet to the Mediterranean diet. When you add carbohydrates back to your diet after eating keto, here's what typically happens. First, your body refills with glycogen, and this holds on to your water, so you may feel puffier. Your electrolytes shift, digestion changes, blood sugar might rise slightly, and energy can dip before rebounding. If you've been following a strict keto diet plus eating lower calories and also doing intermittent fasting, the transition can feel even rougher with cravings, mood swings, and bloating. Again, it's not really unsafe, just your biology readjusting. It's all normal, but there are ways to counteract many of these side effects. And this is where our countdown begins. Tip number 5 is to bring fiber back slowly. Now, keto is famously low in fiber, and fiber is something that you really need. And so at some point, you're going to want to get off keto and do something else like the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet is very high in fiber, so you want to make that transition slowly, because if you do it really quick, you're going to have bloating and possibly other bathroom surprises. Surprise! You'll want to start with slow cooked vegetables or small amounts of beans like chickpeas or lentils. And you want to start small and gradually work your way up. And this will be reflected in our 7-day meal plan. Tip number 4 is to keep your protein and healthy fat steady. Now, the keto diet is very famous for being a really high fat diet. But the Mediterranean diet is also a high fat diet. It's not nearly as high fat, but still very high in fat. So many people, when they're transitioning from the keto diet to the Mediterranean diet, make the mistake of cutting out too much fat and adding carbohydrates too fast. For example, if you have kind of a traditional keto meal like a hamburger wrapped in bacon, you might want to take that away and add something like avocado with a salmon burger topped with some olive oil. Tip number 3 is to replenish your electrolytes and to stay hydrated. Now, this one is super important and one that people often don't think about. But when you get off the keto diet, you start to shed a lot of potassium, magnesium, and sodium. And so it's important that you add these electrolytes into your diet in small amounts. Don't overdo it with something like salt. Instead, you want to do things like sipping small amounts of broth, eating foods that are high in potassium, and possibly even taking some magnesium supplements. You also want to make sure that you stay hydrated with water or herbal teas. This step alone can make or break how good you feel during the first week. Tip number 2 is to choose smart carbs, not things like pizza or pasta. Because after weeks or months of eating a very low carbohydrate diet, if you suddenly add something like pasta or pizza or a delicious fluffernutter sandwich, well then you're going to have glucose spikes. But if you add something like sweet potato fries with tahini or lentils or chickpeas or berries, you're going to do much better. And finally, tip number 1, add carbohydrates back slowly, one step at a time. You don't want to go from 20 grams of carbohydrates to 200 grams of carbohydrates overnight. This is where a lot of the problems occur. So for example, you don't want a huge pancake with lots of maple syrup on top. You don't want to do that. Instead, you want to have pretty much what you would have had on a keto diet, like some eggs, maybe some vegetables like arugula with some olive oil on top, and then add 1 or 2 slices of whole grain bread, probably 1 slice or maybe even half of a slice. If you follow these 5 simple steps, you will move smoothly from the keto diet to the Mediterranean diet and still have a lot of energy and feel great. And yes, it is possible that you may gain 1 to 5 pounds at the very beginning, but remember that most of that is water weight and will come off. So don't worry about the weight, just worry about making a nice smooth transition that makes your body feel good. And finally, remember that if you want to download our 7-day transition meal plan from keto to Mediterranean, just click on the link below. As always, remember to live with purpose, love with abandon, and eat with passion. See you next time.